Hello bachcho. So today we are going to start with the light reflection and refraction second video. We have already covered the laws of reflection in our last video, so we are going to start with the image today. So we have already discussed the three type of mirror. What are those? One is plane mirror. We are going to discuss all of them today. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, there are three types of mirror, and mirrors, basically in the mirror the reflection can be happen. Okay, so reflection can only happen in these mirrors. So we will discuss what is mirror. First we need to understand what is image formation in the mirror. So image is what? It is a point, you can write down, it is a point where at least two light rays actually meet or appear to meet. Okay, actually meet or appear to meet, that is the point is called image. Okay, so when we will discuss this plane mirror and concave mirror, convex mirror, you will understand what is image. For example, you are looking at the mirror, so your image is forming inside the mirror, that is image. Okay, so it is a point where at least two light rays actually meet or appear to meet. Ab it is two type of images are there. One is real image. Real image. What is real image? When light rays actually meet. When light rays actually meet at the point, and that point the real image will be formed. Okay, you have seen the cinema, right? So from the projector, light is coming out and it is falling on the screen. So you can see the image, so can be obtained on the screen. Real image can be obtained on the screen. Obtained on the screen. On the screen. Real image can be obtained on the screen. Third point we are going to write down in it. If your real image is forming, real image is always inverted. Inverted means, suppose this the object AB, so image is always formed inverted. It means it will invert AB like that. So this is called inverted. Real image is always inverted. Inverted. Okay, inverted. AB image is like that. It is invert. You can see this A will goes here, B will comes here, so image is invert. If this is leg and this is head, so head will become in the down part and A is the leg. This is called inverted. This thing is called inverted, and this is what called real image. Now we are going to discuss virtual image. So what is virtual image? The second type of image is virtual image. Virtual image. Virtual. The name suggests it formed when light rays appear to meet. They are not actually meeting, they are appearing to meet. Appears to meet. Okay, or appear to meet. The light rays are not actually meeting, they appear to meet. It can't be obtained on screen, you can write down. It can't be or cannot be obtained on screen. We cannot obtain this on screen. And virtual image is always erect. So virtual image is always erect. Always erect. Erect means, suppose this is AB object, the image is also erect, so it will look like the same. Head will appear head and leg will appear leg, same size. So this is called erect image. Okay, now we will go ahead with that. So first we will discuss the plane mirror. Okay, plane mirror. Now we are going to discuss the plane mirror are forming the images of an object. How does it look like? Okay, let's do it. So suppose we have to draw this line and we have a mirror placed here. So plane mirror appears like that. You have seen the plane mirror at your home also. One side is shiny and the other side is dull, if you have seen the mirror. So suppose this is a mirror and this line shows dull part, the other part, this part is shiny part. Okay, now I am putting an object is always putting like that, arrow, so it can be named AB. The image of the mirror will form here. That can be represented by A dash, B dash. So when an object AB stands on the plane mirror, the image is formed here. Now we are going to discuss characteristics of this image. So you can write down characteristic of image in plane mirror. Do you understand how to draw the plane mirror? I hope you can understand it. Just draw one line and one dark part, dull part, the other part is shiny. This is your plane mirror, not circle. Okay, circle is just I am telling you. So characteristic of image in plane mirror is, first, it is always virtual because light rays are not gonna meet actually, they are appears to meet. So virtual, and whenever it is virtual it is always erect. So when you are looking at the mirror, your head appears in front of you and your leg appears in front of you. It's like virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. You have also seen yourself in the mirror. You always appear equal to the object, equal to yourself. So the image is always equal to the object. Okay. The third part is it forms behind the mirror at the same distance from the object. At the same distance at which object is placed in front of the mirror. Object is placed in front of the mirror. So what does it mean? Suppose this is your mirror, plane mirror, and I am standing here. So my image, I look so bad. Suppose this is distance D. So my image is also formed at D, and it is like that. This is your mirror. Okay, you got it. You can make eyes and all. It can be any example for your better understanding. Okay. Now the fourth point is, you have seen yourself in the mirror. Right appears left, left appears right. So the image is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted word is used when right appears left and left appears right. Okay, laterally inverted means left appears right and right appears left in the mirror. Okay, I hope you are getting it. So if we do image formation in this, how we can do this, let's see. Okay, so suppose this is your mirror. Okay, I'm going to write other pen also. Let me use other pen. Suppose this is your object and this is another object. This is the image. Now I am moving the rays. So light rays are going there like that, and it is striking on the mirror, and it will come back on the same path. Okay, and when light rays strike on this point, it will goes like that. Okay, so we need to trace back its path. When we trace back its path, it will appear like when you are tracing the path like that. So it will meet here, and this is the image formation. Suppose this is A, B object. A dash, B dash is your A dash, dash you have to make it. Dash, B dash is your image. So you can draw two light rays. These are all light rays, okay? You have seen in the laws of reflection, when a light ray goes perpendicular to the surface. Remember that. Suppose if this surface was like that, and light ray falls perpendicular to the surface, and this is the normal also, so it will get the incident ray and the reflected ray both are on the same path, okay? Incident ray, and this arrow shows reflected ray. So same thing is happening here also. If this is your normal, so this is some angle I and this is your R, and in first case, in this case, it will comes like that, and it will again goes like that on the same path. In this case, second case, this comes like that and goes like that. So you can see the angle made with the normal. This is your normal for this point. So angle made with the normal is angle I, and angle made with the reflected ray normal is angle R. So when you trace back, so they're not gonna appear meeting, okay? They will never meet each other. So what we will do, we will trace back its path. When we will trace back its path, it appears to meet here, and when it appears to meet here, this is a virtual image. So this image is virtual and erect. I hope you understand this case. Now we are going to discuss the next term, concave and convex mirror. So what is that? So first understand how to draw the mirror, any mirror, okay? How to draw the mirror. We have two types of mirror, concave and convex. So how to draw the mirror? First you have to draw the sphere. Suppose I am drawing this, okay? Now what you need to do again, draw a line, a straight line, okay? So let's draw the straight line, okay? This must be your center. What we have done, this is spherical, sphere. So we have cut down some part of it. Suppose this is the part of it. We have cut down this part. Okay, we have cut down this part. So it will appears like that. Let me show you more clearly. So it appears like that, okay? I cut down this part and I have painted one side of it like that, okay? Here you can clearly see one part is shiny and the other part is painted shiny, okay? Now what we need to do here, this, if I name this part MN, this MN is known as aperture of the mirror, aperture, and this point P is pole. This line I have drawn from the center of the sphere or spherical mirror is principal axis. Very first you need to draw this also, principal axis. All the sum is according to that principal axis. C is known as center of curvature, and the distance between pole and center of curvature is denoted by capital R. That is your radius of curvature, and if I draw one point between C and P exactly at the center, this point is called F. F is focus, and PF, the length PF is focal length. The object is always placed on the principal axis like that, okay? And this is your mirror. Mirror is nothing but a spherical part cutting portion, okay?